Good morning everyone present here. Now I am going to make a project named as solder ice. Now first take two ice cubes and press them together for several seconds. Pressing the ice cubes together forces the water molecules to get closer to each other and becomes liquid. The liquid water moves away from the compressed area and refreezes along the edges. Now it doesn't separate until we separate these ice cubes. I think the question runs in your mind like what happens? Can you separate them? What happens if you press harder? What if you press less hard? Now I am going to tell the answers for the questions that are running in your mind. Now what happens means they will stick together and freeze into a single combined block. This phenomena happens because of the process called regelation, which moves melting under high pressure and refreezing when the pressure is removed. Now, can we separate them? Yes, for sure, we can separate them. They will likely to be stuck together initially. Now, what happens if you press harder? Let's see. When I press harder, it increases the pressure, accelerating this melting and resulting in faster or stronger bond between the cubes. Now you can observe it's melting fast as the water droplets are falling down into this plate. Now let's see what if we press less hard. Oh no, the melting is reduced or non-existent and the ice cubes will not stick together firmly or at all. As when I am pressing less hard, you observe it acts less reduced and it decreases the pressure between these both ice cubes. But when I press harder, the pressure is increasing and it's melting faster than before, which I was pressed very less. So this is my experiment solder. And this is my experiment solder highs. So thank you and have a nice day. And if you want, please do the experiment at your home.